Welcome. In front of me I have the Apple Pencil and I'll be going over a quick unboxing of this product. The USB-C Apple Pencil is going to work with the new iPad, just the box standard iPad. So anyway, I'll just pop it open. And obviously we have the pencil right here, and that's about everything that we have. You can see we have the Type-C port right here with a pretty nice design. I honestly expected this to have the typical, pop it off and then plug it in as a USB-C plug would be here, but it's more designed to utilize the actual cable that comes with it with your tablet. So you can plug it in, for instance, to the tablet and then here, and it would charge the pen. With a pretty fidgety little magnetic cover right here. It won't come off all the way, but it does have like this kind of fidgety design to it, so I'll be most likely playing with this quite frequently. In terms of the design, it's basically like the Apple Pencil Pro, but it has the charging, and that's about it. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.